So hi dear Taurus, this is a you versus them current energy check-in for all the Taurus, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. This is just a current energy check-in, so whenever you are going to watch this video is valid for you guys. I will see your energy, their energy, and where this connection is going right now. What's the potential of this connection right now? Okay. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass and self-love course, 2 links are given below. So let's start. Taurus, let's see on your side what we have. Okay, honey, okay. On your side, we have the 2 of Swords and the Ace of Cups and the 3 of Swords. Okay, one day you are in love with this particular person or energy and you're kind of like, yeah, everything is fine. One day you are so heartbroken and you feel like you should never look back. So there's still emotional attachment towards a particular person or situation, even if you're heartbroken, even if you're not able to see the clear picture of the future ahead of you guys, you're not able to let go of something or someone out of your system, even if you're trying your best. One day you're okay, another day you're like, I'm so heartbroken, I cannot do it. Sorry, I cannot let go of this situation or person or thing. For some of it could be like decision between 2 people, 2 situations, and you're trying to figure out which one is the best one for you. But because of your past experiences, you're not able to make up your choice or make up your mind regarding this. That's what's happening right now in your current energies. So you're definitely heartbroken over something or someone, and at the same time you're not able to see the clear picture of the future ahead of you. Maybe not with a specific person, but in general regarding your love and relationship area. But you're keeping your heart open, your hopes alive, that yeah, someday you're going to find somebody. Again, it's like game of one day you're feeling good and one day you're like, I need therapy, I need healing. Let's see the energy attached to you, what they are up to, Taurus. We have the Justice, the Page of Cups, and the Devil. Someone is trying to make things right here. Energetically, they are still attached to some kind of third parties or negativities or addictions or something like that. They're still not over those people, those situations that they're attached to, but still they're hoping for the best to come out of this situation. They're trying to get rid of those things, those people, situations that are not good for them, unhealthy patterns, addictions, negativities, third parties, whatever it is. This person wants to make things right somehow. First of all, within their own individual life, and then in this connection between you and them, because they still care. Just give me a second. Okay, so there's a definite sign of third party or third parties in this situation. But this person is trying their best to correct their wrongdoings in some way, energetically. And first of all, they're very focused on their individual lives, cleaning the mess kind of deal. Then they are trying their best to make it somehow work with you. It's going on energetic level only right now. Okay, it's like they're in this energy of let's fix it. And in order to fix it, they have to like fear their own demons. They have to let go of a lot of exes and toxicity and negativity out of their life, out of their system. Let's see where this connection is going. What is the potential of this connection right now, where this is heading. For the connection, we have the 8 of Wands, the King of Cups, and the 4 of Cups. If you guys have this energy to talk it out with each other with honesty and with the emotional maturity, you guys can sort it out somehow up to certain extent. Not fully, because I don't see it's a full-on reconciliation kind of energy or coming back together or sorting it out like, okay, nothing happened. But if you guys have emotional maturity and if you guys are ready to speak to each other on an emotional level, being very honest with each other, being vulnerable with each other, this situation has the potential to go in a certain direction. Okay, so this connection is heading towards this energy of let's talk it out. If you guys are ready, and both of you have to come on the same page for that. It's not like if only if you are ready or only if they are ready. So this connection can go somewhere if you guys are ready to talk to each other and sort it out with each other, and let go of this disappointment kind of energy. Up to certain extent, you guys can save this connection. For you, the guidance is the death and rebirth. It's never going to be the same again, Taurus. That you have to understand. Never, ever, ever in this lifetime, this connection, this situation is going to be the same. Going to be the same as it used to be. Maybe it's going to be better than what it used to be, or whatever. Or maybe this is the end of this chapter. I don't know. You know intuitively. You know better than any tarot reader or healer. But this situation is never going to be the same again. That you have to keep in mind. And by keeping this situation, this thing in mind, keep moving ahead. And or if you want to sort it out with this person, there's a free will at play right now at this present moment in the situation. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.